हेलो दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है टीचिंग एकेडमी चैनल पर। दोस्तों, आज हम यूपी टेट 2021 का पेपर जो 23 जनवरी 2022 को हुआ है उसके इंग्लिश सेक्शन के 30 क्वेश्चन देखने वाले हैं। आइए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन दे रखा है, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स आर यूज्ड इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस? अ लिव एश इज बेटर देन अ डेड लॉइन। क्या होगा इसका? आंसर इज क्वालिटी। नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैज़ बीन मिसस्पेल्ड? बताइए इसमें से क्या गलत है। आंसर इज थर्ड। यहाँ ई की जगह ए होना चाहिए था, गवर्नेंस होगा, नींस नहीं। नेक्स्ट, पिक आउट द करेक्ट सिनोनियम ऑफ द वर्ड एटेन्यूट। रिपेंट, मेक थिन, डिवाइड, फोर्स। आंसर इज मेक थिन। नेक्स्ट, pick the sentence with the correct conjunction. पहला है, no sooner had we reached the station but the train left. Second, no sooner had we reached the station and the train left. Third, no sooner had we reached the station when the train left. Fourth है, no sooner had we reached the station than the train left. देखिए दोस्तों, no sooner के साथ में हमेशा देन आता है, ठीक है। नो शूनर के साथ में देन ही आएगा, किसी और सेंटेंस में देन नहीं है। यहाँ से देखिए, इसमें भी नहीं है, इसमें देखेंगे तो यहाँ भी नहीं है, नहीं यहाँ पे, यहाँ देन दे रखा है, तो राइट आंसर फोर्थ, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, पिक आउट द सूटेबल एंटोनियम ऑफ द गिवन वर्ड। जुडिशियस, इम्प्रूडेंट, careful, silly, sagacious. Answer is fourth, sagacious. Next, 66. The meaning of the idiom to put out is to postpone, to go out, to exhibit, to wait. Answer is third. Next, 67. The sentence "This is the house in which I was born" is क्या है? A simple sentence है, a compound complex sentence, a complex sentence, a compound sentence, a complex sentence. Third. 68. Fill in the blank. The objection was met out the lawyer with, from, by, to. By. 69. Fill in the blank. Dash of playing the children went home. Being tired, while tiring, having tired, on tiring. Answer is 69 का being tired first. Next, 70 question. Join the following sentence to make a simple sentence. The coffee is not too strong, it won't keep awake. First दे रखा है, the coffee is not too strong to keep us awake. The coffee is not too strong so as to keep us awake. The coffee is not too strong so it won't keep us awake. The coffee is not too strong and will not keep us awake. बताइए। Answer is first. Next, 71. Complete the following sentence with correct conjunction. Dash, he had not paid his bill. His electricity was cut off. But, as, unless, either. Answer is as. Next, 72. Choose the correct figure of speech in the following sentence. Death lays his icy hand on kings. कौन सा होगा इसमें? मेटाफर, सिमिली, अपोस्ट्रोफ या पर्सोनिफिकेशन? आंसर इज फोर्थ, personification. Choose the proper sequence to complete the following. The guide said that nowhere in the world a fairer building you will find than the Taj Mahal. The proper sequence should be, क्या होना चाहिए बताइए. इसका होगा फोर्थ PRQS. Next 74. Give the meaning of the following proverb. A word in hand is worth two in a bush. First है to catch two birds with your hands, to trap birds in bushes. It is better to be satisfied with what you have than to try to get what is not yours. To be dissatisfied with what you have. 74 का आंसर इज थर्ड. 75 question. Choose the correct option to complete the sentence. I dash him since we met a year ago. Did not see, not saw, had not seen, have not seen. Answer is fourth, have not seen. Next 76. Who are the earliest known inhabitants of Antarctica? American scientist. It has always been a desert. Dinosaurs. Indian scientist. Answer is third, dinosaurs. 77 क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Which of the following words in an adverb? Apace, fury, meek, phase. 77 का आंसर बताइए. Apace first. Next 78 question. Fill in the blank with suitable pronoun. My son and my daughter are very fond of dash. Herself, himself, themselves, each other. Answer is each other. 79. Which of the following is an example of metaphor? First, he is a big donkey. My heart leaps up when I behold a rainbow in the sky. The bittersweet memories of childhood are a source of great pleasure. The face of the child is as soft as the petals of a rose. Answer is first. He is a big donkey. Metaphor. 80 question. Choose the correct option. Study of population is known as ecology, genealogy, demography, astronomy. Answer is demography. 81. Transform the following into a direct sentence. I asked Sheila if I might know her father. First, I said to Sheila, may I know your father? I questioned Sheila, will I know your father? I asked Sheila, can I know your father? I told Sheila, may I know your father? 81 का बताइए. Answer is first. Next 82. The idiom to ring once on bell means to think properly, to commit a theft, to be one's publicity agent. बताइए. 82. फोर्थ. अब ये पैराग्राफ दे रखा है, ठीक है. 83 से 90 तक क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है इसमें. देखिए. Question 83. What does encore mean? Never, now, once more, try. Answer is once more. What did Kim do in the end? Performed the cat once again, sat down, never performed the trick, smiled and disappeared. Answer is fourth. What does century denotes? A period of 1 year, a period of 100 years, a period of 50 years, a period of 10 years. Answer is second, a period of 100 years. 86. What is the magician's name? M.G. Vidyalaya, Kiran Rathod, Kim Rathod, Ravi. Answer is Kim Rathod. What is the meaning of captivated? Astonished, injured, arrested, honored. 87 का arrested. Next, 88. What is the meaning of spontaneous? Happening suddenly, continuous, nagging, never, always. Answer is first, happening suddenly. 89. What is a bund? Stick, box, head, cloth. Answer is stick. Last question दोस्तों. What is the meaning of hopping, running, singing, standing, jumping? Answer is jumping. तो दोस्तों कैसी लगी वो वीडियो कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं, लाइक शेयर अवश्य करें. धन्यवाद.